All right, so we have Selma from McIlwain Mobility hanging around on a Lico overhead lift. This lift has two traverse systems with cathedral ceilings. We have a single track that connects over to this traverse system in the therapy room, again with cathedral ceilings. And then as we go past Selma again, you'll notice we have a single track here that connects from this XY and leads into the bathroom for showering. So now we'll take you back to Selma and we'll show you how these transfers work. First, we're going to get her under the multi-station. Going to line the rails up. Then we're going to switch right here. And what happens when you actuate that switch, it actually opens up the path so the unit can go over into the single track system of the bathroom. And as you can see, Selma glides freely on the track system. Now I'll take her back.
You want to push something?
Along the rails. She's going to go back over to the multi-station. And then now, when we actuate the multi-station, it now will disconnect those tracks from each other. Now you'll notice that she can't go off the rail unless the rail is aligned and the actuator has been triggered. Same over to here. And then also we can push Selma along that way over to the window area so she can get a good look out the window. Then we'll move her back over to this area. We'll line her up again. And once again, the actuator has to be actuated, which allows us to move her over into the therapy room. Then we have to stop at this multi-station, and then we'll actuate this actuator, which then allows us to disconnect the rails from here. And then once again, Selma's free to glide along anywhere in this room. She can go back and forth on the secondary rail. So once again, it gives her a viewpoint of being able to look out this window. You can also take her over to this window. And then we can send her flying again, and she will stop.